Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix this brightness problem on Oppo phone. Friends you want to fix, friends you want to solve brightness problem on your Oppo phone. So friends, how to solve brightness problem on Oppo phone in this video guys we will talk about. Friends, sometime your phone brightness increase and decrease automatic. So friends, how to fix and how to solve brightness problem on Oppo phone in this video we will talk about. So friends, first we will on phone setting. Out on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see display brightness setting. So friends, click on display brightness. After on display brightness, friends, you can see light mode setting, dark mode. Friends, you want dark mode, you can on your dark mode. Dark mode will on. And friends, you can use your dark mode setting. Friends, you don't want to use guys, tap on light mode. Dark mode will off guys. So I will click on light mode setting. Friends, you can see dark mode will off. So friends, you can see guys your phone auto brightness. So by mistake guys, you have on your auto brightness, so you will have to only tap here, your brightness problem is solved. And so now you can increase brightness, and you can go outside, you can go inside guys, your phone brightness will not decrease, not increase, automatic. So like that guys, you can solve guys your auto brightness problem on your Oppo phone device. And guys, one more setting, shortcut setting is now I will show you. Then guys, you can solve, you can off your easily auto brightness. Open your phone setting, press on your search option, and guys search your auto setting. After guys auto setting is search your B. When direct you can see auto brightness, and get this page will on, direct auto brightness is on. As you can see, brightness decrease automatic. So we will increase brightness and we will off auto brightness, and guys brightness will not increase and decrease automatic on Oppo phone device. So like that guys, we can fix, and friends we can solve auto brightness problem on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, we will meet in the next video.